Hello friends, my name is Abhishek and today in this video I am going to show you how to automatically give column width in MS Excel. So friends, like you have typed here student's name and like your phone number, and then if you want to auto adjusted the column width, you have to select the columns, and then you have to click on format option that's in home tab, and then you have to go to AutoFit option for same. So there is another way, like you have to do manually this, but automatically the column width will be adjusted if you follow these some steps. Like you have to click on the sheet, right button click, and then click on view code, and then you have to select here worksheet option, and here you have to type cells, like cells dot entire column, and then give another dot and give here AutoFit option. So this is activated now, and you can just go to the your Excel sheet, and when you type here student's name, and when you press any tab button or any arrow keys, then the column width will be adjusted according to your text length, like here phone number. So friends, hope this video is useful for you. You can either choose this option from your manual autofit column width from format option, and either you can use Microsoft Visual Basic option from the way like I have explained here. Thank you.